Do you know how to sum the values with the errors like in this example? In case if you change data and select the full column and after press sum, you will get error. For this reason we have two solutions. The first one, we write our formula equal sum. If error, we select this column with our dates, comma, 0, it means that all the errors will become 0. Close the bars and press enter. As the result we get our sum numbers. The second possibility is to write our formula aggregate, where as the first value we select the number 9, which is sum, comma, and then we have to choose number 6, ignore error values. Select the whole column of our data and press enter. Even in this case we managed to sum our error data. The interesting thing is, if you change some values, the formula will still working. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, help to develop this channel. Put your like and subscribe.